Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how exciting it is to move your assets around. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send XDC from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Coinbase, and that your XDC is in your Kucoin wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section, and find your XDC holdings. This is where the magic begins. Next, look for the Withdraw, or Transfer Out option next to your XDC balance. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient address. Now, hop over to your Coinbase account, go to your XDC wallet there and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that the address is for XDC specifically, as crypto addresses can be tricky and sending to the wrong one could mean lost funds forever. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Kucoin, and enter the amount of XDC you want to send. Don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim to send a bit extra if needed. Review all the details carefully. One wrong digit could be a disaster. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on the network. Head back to Coinbase and keep an eye on your account to see when the XDC arrives. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support resources, but always start with their help centers. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025. Remember, crypto is all about being cautious, so never share your keys and stay updated on any platform changes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.